Okay, so for this video, we are going to discuss the process on dividing or in division of complex numbers. So there are two process or two rules na kailangan sundon when we are performing division of complex numbers. So first rule is to perform division of complex numbers in polar form. So divide their magnitude and get the difference of their direction. So this is the simplest way kung mag-solve kita sa complex number. So, if ara siya hindi polar yung form, so medyo hapos lang mag-perform sa division. So, unless kung i-require ka nga to perform the operation gamit ang rectangular nga form. So, the best way if wala man lang gin-require is to transform it into a polar form para masapos sa imo mag-manipulate sa equation. So, we have, so ang hambal niya lang, divide ang duwa ka magnitude, i-divide lang natin. So we will have, automatic, we will have 75 all over 62. Next, get the difference of their direction. So subtract lang natin angle, bar angle 35 minus 25. So aton nga value will be, okay, so we will have 75 divided by 62. So this will be equal to 1.209. So we will have 1.209 angle. So that is 10 degrees. This will now be aton nga final answer. So for this second example, automatic na lang pwede na natin ma-solve. 8 divided by 4 will be equal to 2. Angle negative 75 minus negative 20. So this will be negative 55 degrees. So, amo lang na kasimple kung naka-express siya in polar form. So, now we are going to proceed with the second nga rule. Kung wala siya naka-express in polar form or naka-express siya, I mean, in rectangular form, kag you are required to perform operation gamit ang rectangular nga form. So, we have the procedure for division of complex numbers in rectangular form. First, we have multiplied both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of the complex number in rectangular form, say a plus jb, is a minus jb. After multiplying the conjugate of the denominator, both numerator and the denominator, apply rule 2 of your multiplication of complex numbers. So, medyo simple lang man siya kung ilan tawon naton. So, we will have, so, for example, given kita sang 5 plus j4 all over 3 plus j4. So, kinahanglan i-maintain nato nga masolve kita sang equation. For example, required nga dapat ara kita sa rectangular nga form. So, we are going to solve using isang rectangular coordinates sa aton nga complex number. So, hambal diri kinahanglan na naton mag-multiply sang conjugate sa aton nga denominator. So, conjugate of 3 plus j4 is 3 minus j4. So, multiply natin sa numerator at the same time sa denominator. 3 plus j4, 3 minus j4. So, we will have, so multiply natin sa baba, we will have 3 times 5. So, FOIL method lang kita, we have 15. Next, we have k plus. So, we have negative 20j. So, we have negative 20. Next, we have 3 times 4, we have 12. So, this is j. And then, negative times negative. So, this is negative. So, we have j squared 4 all over. So, sa dalong, we will have square mo na lang 3. So, we have 9. Then, square of your, so minus j4 squared. So, we have j4 squared. So, this will be equal to, so ang mabilin we have, so a real number na siya, we will have 15. So, minus, so negative 1 times negative, okay, so we'll have 4 squared. Gali ha. negative 1 times 4 squared times negative pagets we will have plus 16. So we will have plus 16. So for aton j nga or sa aton nga imaginary nga value we will have 12 plus negative 20. So we'll have negative 8 j. So sa dalom we will have so 9. So we'll have 9 times negative 16 times negative 9 minus negative 16, so this will be equal to 25. So aton nga value will be 31. So ma-31 ni siya over 25. So minus kay negative 8. So 8 all over 25 J. So, pwede na nga mo ni aton answer or pwede nga i-express natin siya in decimal form. So, we'll have 31 all over 25. So, that's so that's 1.24 and 8 divided by 25 is 0.32. So, that is 1.24 minus j times 0.32. So, mo lang na mag-solve kita sang aton complex numbers or division of complex numbers. So, in rectangular nga form. So, let's have another example para mas intindihan gid. Okay, so we will have okay, we have 6 plus j3 all over 4 minus j2. So, okay, so let's proceed sa second natin nga example. So, okay, we are given okay, 6 plus j3 all over 4 minus j2. So, ang hambal, una-una, multiply mo siya by conjugate. So, we'll have 4 plus j2, then all over 4 plus j2. Like that. Okay, so we'll have 4 plus j2 all over 4 plus j2. Okay, so by FOIL method, we will have, this will be 24. Okay, so this will be 24. So plus, sa aton j, we have parehas lang one positive. So we will have, so 12. So aton nga j, so we have plus. Aton nga j nga value, we have 12 plus. So 12 man japon. Then, aton nga may dua ka value nga j. So we have 3 times 2, we have 6. So we have 6j squared. 6j squared. So we have 6j squared. Next, sa ating denominator, we will have square sang 4, that is 16 plus or minus j times 2 squared. So this is equal to, so ang sa babaw, we will have 24. So minus na lang natin sang 6 dere. So 24 minus 6 plus, so that will be 12 plus 12 will be 24J man Japon. So all over, we have 16 plus 4, so that will be 20. So we will have 18 all over 20 plus, so we have 24 all over 20. So expressing this in decimal form, we will have 18 divided by 20. So this will be zero point 0.9. And then, para sa aton nga imaginary, so we have 24 divided by 20. So this is equal to 1.2. So we have 0.9 plus j times 1.20. This now will be aton nga final answer. So that's it para sa division of complex numbers.